Remember Nastela Gusuka Sansam.
DG virus. Like I told you over on phone, say these popular people in our society, no, sometimes only omonama, like a lot of girls are fighting over them, and me need that heart for that. What I say, even though I've been rolling with most of them, I really don't want to have anything intimate with any of them. Because
like brother Mayana want to say only say Ayana Mr. Times no I'm happy Ubia o yibi asem sibia you sibia ball o bonyom o ye musician o ye actor say mejuma me am happy asem but ade ba kwa na ha dwene sia na Mustafa no omo take advantage say am happy asem muntina na say omo de faso ya bone but nye nyina so na yetisa. The
same way, man, so you take advantage of them, and you know, because you think say more promise and they be
we blame Sanko for say like any good manner. Intimate, trust me, I'm not like that. The number of months I did which you've not been seeing yes, Sebastian that's you do which is you tell you say I love you and then it's truly from my heart. Seriously. And you might be one more and then son person me my wife.
I be good Santana kai, but then
what is that big you be a bad guy and can be cool and so say me no want na.
Of course. Me dey on no dey on that misade, but I say I'm rather protecting my heart. I don't know. I'm protecting my heart.
Seriously, like I love you and then you should know say I'm not kidding. I'm serious. Menya misa. Ale we are born.
Me wanna pay my bed we inside hona. Oja. En back up God here.
Yes, so be na bo.
Nah.
Me mashimentia.
Oh na. We am misa.
Crack na say.
Marius, you are a cute person, you are nice, but then if only you are going to hold me well.
Maybe some question. I say I'm person mama answer. I say that when mama you want dey no so be me dia cry.
You still on this thing?
No, until now I don't see be me no ba be me do be chimpa keke na me jawana. I mean it's like I want to make you my wife. Until you watch me, right?
You don't mean it.
Me can't say I don't mean it.
Anyway, like you've proven yourself to be very responsible, and you always mean any word that you say. I like you. I really do.
So, we mama na my own what they do akotena me fie.
Yeah, I would love to be your wife.
And there is one thing that I don't understand about you. I don't know tell me your person be bound channel be so bama. I mean, things just are man am dream what me say mommy make you wife because me nya da no wife there. Wo mo mbeba me member hasi.
But this big house is for us all.
Obadi also better my fee. What you say? I wanna marry you. Say I do. I wanna marry you.
I do.
I'm sure I can't say you don't. About chance, I just I say what to one woman be quite no man come off you man work. I be your man home.
Yeah, both side.
Me do it me one.
Be having so low.
I've been more best. I'm got a medi lipstick. I love you. I want you to many others.
I love you too. say I dream when they come ni pom. My phone so sad last month. Hey, Lawan. What people na why if say? Sweetie, no be anything. I'm born anyway this son. I'm sorry at me why you don't know what to do. Anyway, I hope all is well. No, this see how you. I don't know if I'm fine or not. I don't know.
It's still on Tenekai.
No, I'm about so kind no matter.
I've been so dear.
You okay? Sweetie, maintaining calm. Maintaining calm. Like I told you over on phone. Maintaining calm. Oh, my friend on fact. Mama will be my colleague when you mo call yes. Nene ko kasaye. Makopa na chow. Everything. I say a nearma agimensum. Like
Charlie. Take it easy, okay? Take it easy. Anyway, I've misplaced his number. I'll give it to me so that I call him and talk to him.
Wow.
Maybe he will listen to me.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give it to you before leave.
Then let me have it. Let me just call him now.
Right now.
Yeah, let me talk to him. Okay.
It's ringing.
Hey, Varus. Hi. This is Ella. Yeah, I'm fine. Where are you? I want to talk to you. Like, I want to see you. No. Personal issues. Oh, okay. Okay. I'll wait for your call.
Ah, Mama. Forget to know. Na me ya cry. Say mo de mo muni muntia. My bro. Mommy, nti. For how long na be keep you on a casa guy we asem? Minti me bi mu. Dabi. Minti me bi. Esa. Mommy, ode let me mommy fall back na unkomo no eyi wo nkuni wo. Nkuni wo. Me fall back. Okay.
That is it.
Yeah, nyakopo adum na mbe ma me peg ka.
What now say o share me.
Se me wo ba na me ne mami kasa. Se na me ne mami kasa.
Mommy is that I will find out say me na me trip pa dey be one. Because say I go be fear madam for being na adum.
Oh yeah den ya so.
But odon so you stab you.
Hey.
Me no we pa.
Manda ndwe hu da wo. Na echima mu te say.
Charlie, nyame adom boko.
Yeah, boko.
And I grandma body ke bongo aso.
Ade.
Or hard drink too much.
Bios unya botru.
Bongo hard drink.
Also the senke your paddy.
Bongo hard drink dodo. And never share the way to adwuma mo no. Ada ya wakoye selection bi no bi delete from machine so ntia yeme ya. Bongo. Adwuma ye pre challenge. On sa no de me so sa no de. Obana se wo bon mama fu ani jam. Me so bon mama fu ani jam. Enti die enti na me kwako delete selection. Se me se odwuma na se me ye de. O me ka se mi ntia on de onyi ni pe bi ani to ye hye. Ora no ansi. Me za 5 na bia na so. Me padi no ba
tell one. Bongo so mu se obo wanka be ka bi.
Awia utie me.
Sie wo na me ntie wo sen.
Me bo akutia. Asana me ga na hunde na koma.
Me abi ni pa me ya we pa me sheda me se erade me boy. Me sheda pa.
Zata sana ma munya botre. Uza me board onyom no sana me kasa fema na ma bo akutia kakra ye.
E dey account. ISS.
Is wo so no koye sa de akutia no be kwa mo. So uza you ready for your platform. Ndi ya say kasa ma amansan so ne kasa tiri papa akofo so.
Mama long bi a hoye.
Ale mama say.
Johnson e frefre sa usugu no so na den se me jai me kuna makwakotena baabi enti nipa ne metena ne jai akosisei me bra na den na ogusu ne me
senti e ba se ya ba be ware a me come me and myself and passion.
Me ma go be worry me ana.
No, not that. My own say, time I'm be worry me. I didn't know share relationship. And I'm no na say we are wait time. We are being say we are friends.
Na like.
I thought about say na me.
E bi kra minti bi masi o. Hwe say wonnim obi no akwakohia no. Wonnim suban say de ofiri nim kra bem sitie. Na akwakohia no no waware ene die. Wonnim ne dadaada. Wonnim se sei na nipa ne tie. Na wotimi be ware wo no. Den na keye. Den na keye be meju no mami ontimi decide mami.
Like
Jollof.
Hey.
Opa on te sent.
Oh, who's a parent?
Na me de dada.
Na na Fabisi ayo Fabisi dan.
DJ Virus. Oh, wow. Come home.
Wow.
Yes.
You have a nice apartment.
Oh, yes. My name is
so cute. Hey, would you any day? Hey, Beyonce. On say how?
Me say
oh, why if papa if you enquadi?
Hey, sister, what if you know you're sexy my boyfriend? Just how be pia.
No day, no cry. No cry.
Na brabo mo te say.
Nyame adom. Bibi aboko.
Nyame adom. O friend me say o person be say me say eh na di o sa ampa na baby ama be yu me boy mu.
Me asema to me unim say me kun atu kwan.
Me nim say what kwan. Say o ka chere me phone so.
Nti no. Me ni baby a say me ni obi a me ni ba be di konkonsa. Ene say me tutu me nan abafi ase a. Say wow unim de ye ba be yu.
Nti me say me na oni me be di konkonsa.
Na say woni hono.
Me de mame konkonsa de me po me pe ni gie. So wa hwe na say wo konkonsa partner tu kwan ja wa no ato wa no. A ono pan ti wo tu kwan a wo kwa kwa ye de.
Oh, sister. O say your friends okusia dio. Unse baby o pese oju abrabom no ndu baby a nti wo say wo tu kwan na okọ further up the education. Say be betimi a promote no e wo adwuma mu ni ade no nti na okọ.
Adesua. Enti no de wadru ya papa panimu sei won pa wo bi na one won wo no wo se kwa kosua de
na when the catch say adesua has an end.
Mame enti wo to no ye den wo ti wonom se mekuna tu kwan se kwa kosua de wo se ofeda na education na de ne mame ye tete wonom na ye de sika ndwa na nka wo ti woda ko no afro se efie sa ba bia madru no wonya me class of girl
see me
wan kasa wo ye den
e wo so ma dwen papa e ba wo chim na de bia wo say mama bi se wasem virus a won ne wo hono no he ba bia virus adru o ye DJ kase pa wo krom ha se yo bisa ho school papa ben na wo koye enso send the virus te ho
mame DJ na heading DJ further education pa den be ni wo asema me ne wo kan we are talking about adesua nipa ne kwa kosua hwe maguo abrochire na wotu wonom se wo kosua de me de me to nti wo be fina ne ma bedi konkonsa na me tufu a wo de virus de na wonim de meye amen kan kire wo de be yi be no
obwa woni baabia ko sister woni bibia
enti ma me tufu no wontie
me se woni bibia e
pe bibie
empire na je wo se me de tai na chi me body time na chi na
wo de we che se we Jimmy free school be ma ko abroche kosua de wo se bo empire ma ne se rade mani hu ade mo wie no meja wo
me kuno ntisa o Beyonce me kunu do a very faithful so you me shine so be my crowd.
My husband is faithful, my husband is sweet. Okay, be wo me na